Hello, this lesson will be how to assign our resources or a resource into an activity. So let's say we have here an activity. Click the activity and then click here, details, and then you click here, resource, the tab below. Then click add resource. In here right now you have a predefined resources that was done in the previous lesson. Let's say this is a pipe, right? Lube oil piping, which is that one there. Now you could add a material to that, which is your pipe. At the same time you could add a pipe fitter, which is your labor resource. Okay, now here we have you can add here how many linear meter of pipes that you wanna install on this particular job. Let's say we have about right here the budget of 220 linear meter. Okay, so let's say let's customize this view here. You need your resource name, price per unit, and then rate and type your rate resource, primary resource, and then your budget unit. You don't need that one yet. Your remaining you do not need that. So what you need is your you need your duration. Okay, you need your budgeted labor units per time, because that there will tell you how many man hours or how many men you would like to put into this job. Okay, so you notice here it shows days, so let's change that first to hours. The duration, put to duration format to hours. Okay, I normally click decimal places to 2, so it's easy to read. Good. So see that one there, that tells me that one hour for your pipe fitter you have 128 man hours for one guy. How to put two guys into 128 man hours? So it's a very simple calculation. You use your calculator. So you have 128 man hours divided by 2 guys, which is 64. Now what you want to do here on your original duration, right here 64. Okay, so you added 64 here on the duration. So you notice here that the budgeted units is also 64, which is you don't need that. What you need is 128. That because if you go back here in your status, general, see this duration type, it's fixed unit per time. You need to change that into fixed duration and units. Okay, I'll teach later on how to mass change or for these or global change for all of the fixed duration and units. Okay, so go back to your resources. Now here that was 128. Okay, so see you have 128 budgeted man hours, you have original duration of 64, and you have a budgeted units per time 2 hours. That means 2 guys working in this particular job. That's how easy you're going to add a resource.